Look, this is not gonna be the most entertaining video on YouTube, but if you're even thinking about buying crypto, this is going to be the most important video you watch this year. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your crypto wallet safely, avoid beginner mistakes, and finally take control of your digital assets. Most people skip this part, and that's why they lose money. But you're smarter than that, so let me walk you through this step by step and get your crypto wallet set up the right way. There are many crypto wallets out there, such as hot and cold wallets, from Trust Wallet, Phantom, and MetaMask to Ledger and Trezor. In today's video, we're gonna break down the MetaMask. Why? Because it's trusted worldwide, it's free, and it's perfect for beginners. MetaMask is a free app that works like a digital wallet for your crypto. It lets you store and manage your coins like Ethereum or BNB in one place. And unlike keeping your crypto in an exchange, MetaMask gives you full control over your funds. So in order to start, we would need to go to their official website called metamask.io. Always double check the website spelling to avoid the scams, because most of the scammers, they might use .com instead. So click on Chrome, add to Chrome, add extension, then next click I agree to MetaMask terms of use, create a new wallet, I agree, then let's create our password. Understand, create a new wallet, then we have to secure our wallet. And right now MetaMask will show you your secret recovery phrase. Make sure to follow their tips, like write down offline, never take any notes, never take any screenshot, never email it for sure to anyone. So just write down offline on paper and store it in multiple secret places. In my personal example, I store it in 2 papers, like in different places, and store it in a safe deposit box as well. So here you have to copy them, and then you have to confirm these phrases. Let me confirm them. Click confirm, done. So once our MetaMask is all set, go to account details, show private key, enter your password, confirm, and here is your private key. Never give your private key to anyone, because if someone has your private key, they will completely take over your account, because private key is used only to restore your access if you forget your password. And click done. Our MetaMask is all set, and every coin operates on a network like, for example, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Arbitrum, and MetaMask connects you to these different networks so you can manage different assets in one wallet. So for example, right now we have only Ethereum network. Let's add Binance Smart Chain. Just click add, confirm all these details. Like, for example, MetaMask gives you all this information in advance, but I always make sure to verify it on my own as well. Let's say chain ID 56. Just Google how to add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask, and now you see here chain ID 56. Go to MetaMask, confirm it, and approve. So now we have BNB network as well. Also make sure to pay attention to this detail. As you can see here, our MetaMask has only one address. So for example, we want to switch between Ethereum network, and as you can see here, the address stays the same. So all tokens will be added through this address. One address for all tokens. And for example, if you want to deposit Ethereum from Coinbase or Kraken account, you just copy this address, go to your Coinbase or Kraken, paste the address and send your Ethereum to this address, and within a minute your crypto will be available in your wallet. If you want to have USDT, you have to add them as well. So go to CoinMarketCap, search for USDT, and as you can see here, we have USDT on multiple contracts. For example, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, Solana. Let's set USDT on Ethereum. So just copy this address, go to your MetaMask, switch to Ethereum network, click three dots, import tokens, and just paste the address. Click next, import, and as you can see here, we have our USDT on Ethereum network. Same goes with USDT on Binance Smart Chain. Just go to CoinMarketCap, search for BNB Smart Chain, copy the address, go to MetaMask, switch to BNB Smart Chain. Because for example, if you don't switch to BNB Smart Chain, you just go to import tokens, paste the address, and it's not gonna give you any information or any tokens. So that's why you have to switch to BNB Smart Chain. So import tokens, paste the address, next, import, and we have our USDT on BNB Smart Chain. You can search everything manually, but for me personally, I would go to official website coinmarketcap.com and just find all the verified information here. And also, if you want to, for example, as well deposit USDT on Binance Smart Chain, just switch to Binance Smart Chain, go to your Kraken or Coinbase account, paste this address again, and just send your USDT on Binance Smart Chain to your wallet. Now I believe everyone understands how to send your crypto from exchange to wallet. Basically everyone can do it now. Let's add another network. For example, Polygon. So click add, check all the details. Again, for example, check chain ID 137. Chain ID 137 for Polygon. Go to MetaMask, approve, and now we have our Polygon network available as well. Basically, you can add literally any network you like. So, for example, if MetaMask doesn't provide the network you like, just click add a custom network, search for a particular network you would like to add, just copy the name, for example with Polygon, chain ID, RPC URL, currency symbol, paste all this information here and just click save. And that's how we work with MetaMask. We just switch between different networks. And last thing, as you can see here, we have only one account. You can create a new account, or you can connect an account with your hardware wallet. For me personally, whenever I want to connect my MetaMask account to different website, I don't usually use my personal account with all my crypto portfolio because I don't want to get hacked or get scammed. That's why I already created somewhere between 2 to 3 different accounts for me to keep my crypto safe. Alright, now that our MetaMask is fully set up and connected to different networks, let's actually test it for real. Right now we're going to deposit some of our USDT on Polygon network from our Kraken account to our MetaMask wallet. Go to Kraken Pro, search for USDT, click 3 dots, click withdraw, search for Polygon, then look for our address, I already added our MetaMask address. And one thing I always do, and I recommend you do too, is always test the small amount first. For example, I usually send $5 or $10 just to make sure everything went through. Once I confirm the transaction, I send the rest of the amount. This way, if anything goes wrong, you're only risking about $5 to $10, nothing much, instead of risking hundreds of thousands of dollars. So let's send $10 to our Polygon network, to our MetaMask account. Review, and then you have to verify if everything is correct. So Polygon network, our address, confirm, and then you have to verify. So our withdrawal is initiated. We can also view transactions here, as you can see here, and let's wait for it. Perfect. Once the small amount arrives, you're ready to send the larger amount safely. Now let's complete the cycle, sending our USDT on Polygon network back from MetaMask wallet to our Kraken account. So go to our Kraken account, click on deposit, search for USDT and select the network. Look for Polygon and copy the address. Then go to MetaMask, click on USDT on Polygon network, send, and paste the address. Before continuing with this transaction, notice these small fees. That's the gas fees. It's like paying for a postage stamp to send your crypto on the blockchain. And since we're using Polygon, the gas fees are usually super cheap, just a few cents, and it's paid in matic. And important, when you click continue, if you don't have enough matic to pay, your transaction will fail. So always keep a few dollars of matic in your wallet. That's why I would need to go to my exchange and buy some matic and transfer it. By the way, I want to show you one important thing. I did transfer my matic from Kraken to MetaMask, but I didn't realize first that I sent it on Ethereum network. Because as you can see here, we have our matic on Ethereum network and on Polygon network, right? So basically you just saw the real example on how important there is to always double check not only your address, but the network as well. Please always do that. And I'll be honest with you, when it comes to huge amounts, I might check the network and the address several times, literally the whole address, just to make sure I got everything right. So as you can see, now I transferred the right matic to the right network, which is Polygon, and now we can go ahead and transfer back our USDT from MetaMask to Kraken. So we would need to go to USDT on Polygon network, click send, go to Kraken, click deposit, search for USDT, select our network, which is Polygon, copy the address, go to MetaMask and paste the address. And always please make sure to double check your address. As you can see, 0x800C6. Always make sure to verify it, the first part and the last part, just for your safety. So now we verified it. And then let's go ahead and transfer 10 USDT for now. Click continue. And as you can see, we have enough Polygon to cover the gas fees. And click confirm. Now let's wait until our... Yeah, it's confirmed. Now let's wait while the USDT is in process. So I just received notification from Kraken that our USDT has been deposited. So let's go to Kraken, and here we have our USDT. And that's it. You've now seen the full process: setting up MetaMask, connecting networks like Binance Smart Chain and Polygon, depositing and withdrawing USDT, and understanding real-world gas fees. You're not just buying crypto, you're actually controlling it safely and strategically. If you got value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want even more help getting started, grab our free crypto wallet setup guide linked below. It's a simple step-by-step checklist to help you safely create, secure, and manage your first crypto wallet with confidence. See you in the next one.